Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to share a easy tea time snack recipe, aloo patties.
You can also serve this as an appetizer. So let's check out how to make it in a few simple steps.
Stay tuned. These are the ingredients for aloo patties. We are taking half teaspoon of garam masala, pinch of hing, half teaspoon of chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt based on taste, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of dry mango powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, and we have taken 2 boiled potatoes which we have peeled and mashed, and we are using here ready-made puff pastry sheets. You can buy whichever is available in the market. We'll start by preparing the filling for patties. For this we'll take some oil and we'll keep the flame on medium. And mix it well. We can saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. So we'll mix it properly and cover it for some time so that the potato gets the spices flavor properly. In the meanwhile, we'll prepare the puff pastry sheets. Make sure you take out the sheets from freezer 1 hour before. This is how the puff pastry sheet look like. I'll spread it out and gently roll it. Oven for 20 minutes and you can check it out in between just to make sure it doesn't get burned. Our patties is ready. We have used potato filling here. You can use the filling of your choice like paneer, vegetables or egg. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more recipes and let us know your views in the comment section.